Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive charts and diagrams in Google Slides. Let's go ahead and take a look here at my Google Slides. And I want to create a little interactive diagram about the seasons of the year. So I'll go up to Insert, and I'm going to select Diagram. And we can see a bunch of different diagram styles over here on the right-hand side. I want to choose cycle, and here we can see some cycle style diagrams, but I can further modify them. And let's say I want to have 4 steps because there are 4 seasons of the year, and I can even go here and change the color scheme if I want to, just by selecting a different color. I can reset it back to the original if I want as well. I'm going to use this green color, and now let's insert that chart. Now over here I'm going to write in winter, and I can make my font larger just by using the same font tools I would always use. I'll go over here and I'll write spring. And again, might just adjust the font size. Of course, I can change the font styles as well. So I'm going to do summer. And just to show you that you can adjust the font style, let's use this font and make that larger. And now we'll do fall. By the way, that's my favorite season of the year, especially since I live in Maine. And let's change that out and use the Acme font this time. Now, each one of these things I can further customize. If I want to change out the color scheme, I can do so by just selecting any of the little parts here, and then I can go up here and say I want to use orange. And here I'm going to use different fill color, and I'll use orange again, and we'll see that. And here I'm going to change that out, and I'll use red. So I have my red and orange, and I can do that for each one of these little parts. Now, I want to make this interactive. I want to hyperlink things in here. So there's a couple of ways that I can go about doing this. First of all, I'm going to add a new slide. And I'm going to call this one fall. And I might write in my information here. Fall is also called autumn. The leaves change color. And I can add in more information into this slide. Perhaps I want to add in a video. So let's say I want to add in a video. Let's insert a video, and I'll do a YouTube search for fall colors Maine. There we go. We have peak fall foliage in Maine, and I'll insert that video, and so I have that in here as well. Now, if I wanted to hyperlink between these two slides, I'll go to fall, and now I'll use the insert link, and I'll select my second slide. But if we are on our second slide, we need a way to get back to our original diagram. So let's just insert here a little text and say home, and link to slide 1 so that when we're viewing these, we can jump from slide to slide. Now, I can also hyperlink to an external website. So let's say I have winter here, and I want to link to an external website. Well, I can just rely on what Google suggests here, or I can bring up Let's search for, let's say, winter kids, and put in a link to that winter kids and apply that link. Now I want to make that link show up a little bit better, so let's change that text color and make it back to a nice white so that now I can see it a bit better. Now, I can repeat this process for each part of my diagram or chart here. I want to show you what it looks like when someone is viewing this in full screen. So let's present in full screen here. And if we click on fall, now we have our fall slide with our video that we can play, and we have our home button, and we're back there. But if we click on winter, that takes us to the web page that we linked to in our winter slide. Now, of course, if I want to stop presenting, I can go back in and edit any element of this chart once again. So that's how you can create an interactive chart or diagram in Google Slides. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.